How to fix creator fonts not showing up on TikTok. First, open TikTok app. Now, tap the profile icon on bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three bars icon on top right corner. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. From here, click on first option, Account. So, you make sure your account is switched over to your business account. The next thing to do is go back to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and on the Support, tap the option Report a Problem. So, from here, scroll down on bottom and tap on Submit a Report. Now here, you need to write something like, "Hey TikTok, please enable my creator fonts that are not showing up. I have a business account and the feature is not there. Thanks." After that, what you can also do is provide them with a screenshot and click on Submit button. And just like that, after a day or two, TikTok is going to enable your feature. So, this is how you fix creator fonts not showing up on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.